The best setup in the world still fails at the wrong time of day. Killzones and the power of 3 tell you when the real move is most likely to happen. So you stop trading dead sessions and start showing up when the market actually delivers. A killzone is simply a high-probability window of the trading day. The two that matter most are the London Open and the New York Open. That's when volume and volatility concentrate, and when the moves that trend for hours tend to begin. Outside those windows, price often just chops. Trade the windows, not the whole clock. The power of 3 describes how a move unfolds in 3 phases. First, accumulation. Price ranges quietly, often in the Asian session, building orders. Then manipulation, a sharp fake-out that grabs the liquidity resting outside the range. Finally, distribution, the real, expanding move in the true direction. Range, fake-out, then run. Once you see this rhythm, the day has a shape. That manipulation phase has a name, the Judas Swing. Near the session open, price makes a deliberate move in the wrong direction, just far enough to trap breakout traders and sweep the stops. Then it reverses and delivers the real move. If you know the Judas Swing is coming, you stop chasing the first move of the session and start waiting for the reversal that follows. Prop challenge, or leveling up your own trading. Signal Deck tracks every trade in R with quant-level analytics. Prove your edge. Free. Link in the description. Here's how it comes together. You wait for the kill zone, London or New York. You let the Judas Swing do its thing and sweep the obvious liquidity. Then you enter the distribution leg, using the sweep and change of character from earlier episodes to confirm. Right setup, right time. That's how timing turns a decent idea into a high-probability trade. So killzones tell you when to show up, and the power of 3, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, tells you how the move unfolds, with the Judas Swing as the trap in the middle. Next episode is the capstone, the A+ setup, where we stack everything from this series into one full gold walkthrough. Subscribe, you won't want to miss it.